Hello guys, so we move on to the next topic and that is arrangement of objects not all distinct. So up till now हम लोग क्या करते आए थे, we had all distinct objects. Okay, हमें उनको arrange select करना था. Okay, but right now we will have some objects इनमें से कुछ objects will be alike or identical. Okay, let's see how we deal with these cases. Okay, so before that we'll solve a question. In how many ways can we divide 12 people in groups of 7, 3 and 2? Okay, so we have 12 people. Okay, 12 में से पहले 7 लोगों को select करना. This can be done in 12C7 ways. Okay, वंस यू डू दैट 7 लोग सिलेक्ट हो गए, कितने लोग बचे? 5 लोग में से आपको 3 लोग को सिलेक्ट करना है. दैट कैन बी डन इन 5C3 वेज, राइट? अब बचे कितने? 2 लोग, उनमें से 2 का ग्रुप बनाना है, जिसका बी डन इन 2C2 वेज, राइट? सो 12 में से 7 लोग को सिलेक्ट करना ही है 12C7 वेज में, राइट? 5 पीपल में से 3 को सिलेक्ट करना ही है 5C3 वेज में. And then we also need to select 2 out of 2 people in a group, right? So this multiplied by this multiplied by this, you want all these three, right? Multiply these three. So you will simply get 12 upon 7 factorial into 5. 5 cancel ho jayega, right? And what will be left with is 12 factorial divided by 7 factorial, 3 factorial into 2 factorial, right? That's the required answer in this case. Okay. So hum aage badhte hain guys. We'll see now in the next part that I have 3 types of marbles with me. One red, one blue and one green. Okay, if I ask you in how many ways can I arrange them in a straight line? Okay, 3 marbles in 3 places can be arranged in how many ways? 3p3 or 3 factorial, that is 6 ways, right? अगर हम physically देखें हर एक number of way को तो ऐसा हो जाएगा, right? Okay, so red, blue, green, blue, blue, red, green, then blue, green, red. Okay, green, blue, red and blue, and then green, blue, red. Okay, all these 6 ways में you can arrange them. Okay, but suppose मेरे पास 3 marbles हैं. Okay, and में से exactly 2 are identical. They are same in color. They are identical in nature, right? So now in how many ways can you arrange them? Red, red, green. Okay, green, red, red, and red, green, red. 3 तरीके होंगे, right? Okay, if you observe carefully, जब हमारे पास 3 distinct marbles थे, we had 3 factorial 6 ways, right? But now we had exactly 2 marbles identical. So the number of ways is 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial, right? Okay, एक और example लेते हैं. Suppose if I had 4 marbles. Okay, 4 marbles को arrange करेंगे कितने तरीके होंगे? 4 distinct marbles को guys, 4 marbles in 4 places. You can arrange them in 4p4 or 4 factorial, that is 24 ways, right? But अगर इनमें से exactly 2 marbles suppose they become identical, तब क्या हो जाएगा? There will be exactly 6 possible ways like this, right? Okay, so if you observe carefully guys, this 6 ways will consist of 24 ways. Okay, 4p4 जो था, okay, 24, okay, divided by 2 factorial and 2 factorial, right? There were 2 marbles which are alike and red in color. There were 2 are alike and which are green in color, right? So total number of ways को आपने क्या किया? 4 factorial को you divide this 4 factorial with 2 factorial for these 2 identical marbles. Okay, and divide again 2 factorial say because of these 2 marbles, right? Because arrangement of these 2 marbles will not give you anything different, right? Same way arrangement of these 2 marbles among themselves also will not give you any different case, right? So यहाँ से हम एक बहुत important चीज सीखते हैं that if there are n objects out of which a1 are alike and one type, a1 number of objects, a2 are alike and of second type, a3 are alike and other type, and so on until am, then number of possible arrangements is n factorial divided by a1 factorial, a2 factorial, a3 factorial up till am factorial, right? So जैसे कि हमने इस क्वेश्चन में देखा था, okay, we had 4 objects. Okay, like in this case, second case, we had 4 objects. इसमें से exactly 2 are alike and red in color, and these 2 are alike and green in color, right? So total number of arrangements कितना हो गया? 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial, right? Right, this is the total number of arrangements, that is 6 in this case, and that's exactly how we get it. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं guys. We'll solve a few questions now based on this. In how many ways can we divide 12 people in groups of 7, 3 and 2? ये method तो हम देख ही चुके हैं. Okay, अब हम दूसरा मेथड देखते हैं. Okay, now you can get the answer directly. 7 people are alike and one type, वो एक ग्रुप में होंगे. 3 are alike and second type, दूसरे ग्रुप में होंगे. And 2 are alike and third type, okay, वो तीसरे ग्रुप में होंगे. So total number of ways of dividing them is 12 factorial divided by 7 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, right? You get the same answer. Okay, but now much more quickly, right? Let's solve a few more questions. In how many ways can you arrange the letter of the word? Letters होगा वैसे, sorry. So letters of the word, okay, apple. Okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters, so they can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. But उसमें से exactly 2 letters are alike and of same type, right? So we divide this with 2 factorial. So the answer is 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial. ये हो जाएगा 120 upon 260. Okay, let's go on to the next one, guys. Banana. Okay, I hope you can see this. So banana has basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters in total, right? So 6 letters in total can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. उसमें से guys a is repeated 3 times. Okay, so 3 factorial, and n is repeated 2 times, so divide by 2 factorial, right? So that's the answer. 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial times 2 factorial, right? So 720 upon 6 to the 12, ये हो जाएगा वापस 60. Oh, Next, pineapple, right? Pineapple will consist of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 factorial ways of arranging. But guys, उसमें से P is repeated twice. So 3 factorials हम divide करेंगे, right? And E is repeated twice. So again, उसको divide करेंगे 2 factorial से. I don't think any other letter is repeated. I नहीं है, N एक बारी है, A भी एक बारी, L भी एक बारी. Okay, fine. So 9 factorial divided by 3 factorial to 2 factorial. Okay. Let's go on to the next one, guys. Muskmelon. Okay, muskmelon consists of 9 letters again, 9 factorial. उसमें से M is repeated 2 times, right? So divide by 2 factorial, right? Any other letter repeating? I don't think so. U, S, N, K are different. Then उसके बाद E, L, O, N. Alone तो बहुत ज़्यादा special है ही है globally. All right. So no letter repeated as such except 2 M's, right? So the number of ways of arranging them are 9 factorial divided by 2 factorial. As simple as that. Okay. आगे बढ़ते हैं guys. Constantinople. Okay, again Constantinople consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 factorial ways में you can arrange them. Okay, अब देखते हैं कौन से letters repeat हुए guys. O is repeated twice, so divide by 2 factorial. N is repeated 3 times, 1, 2, 3, so divide by 3 factorial. And T is repeated even twice. Okay, T and T you can see here, right? So divide by 2 factorial, right? So total number और कोई नहीं है. A एक बार ही आया है, S भी एक बार आया है, I भी एक बार आया है, P, L, E तीनों एक बार आए हैं, right? So 14 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, right? All right, next one is Mississippi. Mississippi will consist of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 factorial number of ways to arrange. But उसमें से M repeat नहीं हुआ है. I repeat हुआ है guys, देखो 4 बार, right? So we divide with 4 factorial, right? S has been repeated 1, 2, 3, 4 again 4 times, so 4 factorial. And P has been repeated twice, so divide by 2 factorial, right? So this is what we have for Mississippi.